We're searing the salmon for the Osechi Ryori. This is actually curry flavored, so it's not going to be very traditional. Hey guys, we're going to be making kind of a poor man's version of Osechi Ryori today. I don't have all the ingredients. For example, I don't have any pickled ingredients. We have the fish and some of the vegetables. Hopefully try to put a flattering plate together and have my Filipino family try it and see if they enjoy it. This will get them prepared for eating Japanese food when we go to Japan. I'll try to explain each of the pieces. I'm going to try to make it look as artistic as possible, but since I don't have everything, that'll be an interesting challenge. A few important facts on Osechi Ryori. It's a traditional Japanese meal eaten on New Year's Day and prepared ahead of time. Each layer and food item represents good fortune, prosperity, and to send off to have a good new year. The tradition started 1,000 years ago, either so the gods wouldn't hear the clanging of pots and pans cooking on the new year, since many types of work like cleaning were banned, or so housewives could also get some rest after preparing a ton of meals up until the new year. We're gonna do a 2-tiered Osechi, and I actually got these lacquer plates from Daiso. They're only $1.50 each, so if you want to practice putting together your own Osechi Ryori or eating Japanese cuisine on Japanese style plates, and I would suggest heading to Daiso and picking up some plates. My husband and I actually purchased this New Year dish assortment set, and I'll try to imitate this photo as much as possible. It looks very appealing, and I think it'll make a really nice looking plate. This will be the first tier. In the second tier, I'll do the cooked dishes, such as salmon and the unagi. So I'm gonna start with the kamaboko. Kamaboko is fish cake that you mash together, and this is processed fish cake. It tastes better than it sounds. Okay, so this first tier, I've arranged the fish cake to the kind of left-hand side. Actually kind of switched up the plating compared to the image, but I don't know. It might move around too as I place more items on the plate. So this is roasted sweet chestnut, kuri kinton. It represents wealth and prosperity.
What is that?
It's called Osechi Ryori. Trying to put it together. So there's some jelly residue left on the tray after I picked up the kuri kinton and put it on the dish. And then I have the kuro mame, and this symbolizes diligence and hard work, because mame sounds like the Japanese word for working diligently. So let's be diligent with how we put this plate together. These black soybeans were double sealed, as you can see from below. It's good that they're trying to maintain the moisture. These items were refrigerated for about a week or two now. They still look really fresh. I guess we'll see how fresh they actually taste when we start eating them. Put the kuromame on top. I really like how the colors play with each other on this plate. Looks so pretty. It's not pre-cut, so I have to cut it myself. This looks like an egg cake. Does this look good, Kylie?
Yeah. It looks really fragile, to be honest.
This is such a big cutting board for like this tiny thing that I'm cutting. But this is a nice sharp knife. I've taken 3 pieces and I'm going to place it into the plate, I think right here. Maybe 2 is good.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe 2.
Because it has 2 in the picture, but you can do whatever you
Yeah,
want.
I'm not gonna copy it exactly. It's just to get an idea. So datemaki includes shrimp paste that's been mashed together. It's similar to tamago, associated with being scholarly and intelligence. The bottom tier is done, and now I'm going to work on the second tier that's going to have the seafood on it. Second tier will have fish roe on it, and this symbolizes fertility. And if you're trying to have children, it helps you be fertile so you can have a lot of children.
What?
Symbolizes fertility.
Okay.
Do you want to have a lot of children?
No.
There's too many people in the Philippines already. They don't need more children.
Too
Too overpopulated. So this kazunoko kind of looks like sliced pears from a can. So I'm gonna cut up this eel so that everyone can have a piece.
Are you making a second one?
Yeah, this is eel. Eating eel on New Year's will help you get a faster promotion, apparently. So, you know, if you just need that leg up on work, eat some eel. Last piece I'm going to include in the Osechi Ryori is the salmon. I'm going to cut it into pieces and put a few into the plate. Here's some Indian flavor in a Japanese Osechi Ryori. I'm going to have my family try these dishes, see their reaction, and see if they like it or don't like it or think it's different, good, weird. We'll see how Filipino people react to Japanese New Year's Eve cuisine. What are you gonna try?
What's this?
That's a fish cake.
Fish cake. Oh, I like
Kamaboko.
Kamaboko.
That's a salmon. Try the fish cake.
Because it's your address. It has your address.
Cold. It's not warm.
It's not supposed to be warm. It's supposed to be cold. Is it good? Guess my dad thinks it tastes good.
Wait, what is it supposed to be?
It's like mashed fish with egg.
Steak.
That's not look on your face. It doesn't look like you think it tastes good.
It tastes like a mouthwash.
It tastes like mouthwash.
I'm not kidding. Taste
I
it.
think it's that bad. Not good.
Wait, I want. And then the after taste is good now. Oh. So I like it.
Oh no.
I actually want to taste this one.
Look at the sweet egg.
Yeah, taste the eel.
I haven't tasted it in a long time now.
What is this?
That fish egg.
It's a fish roe. So fit like cod roe.
Oh, it's sticky.
Not-
It's sticky.
Kind of.
You think the eel is sticky? Yeah.
Some?
Oh,
It tastes like
is it good?
No. Just not.
Better be good. Kazunoko.
This one?
That's a chestnut. This is a black bean.
And this one?
It's like a fish cake with egg. It's like rolled.
I know what I think.
Hmm? Oh, you can have mine if you want. I mean, you could try the beans. This is my mom trying some of the food. I mean, you can eat it together if you want. It doesn't necessarily go together. Yeah. Is it good? It has kind of like a soy sauce taste though. The bean.
Tastes like seaweed.
The fish roe.
Yeah, this one. The yellow one, this one.
Yeah, that one is a fish roe. The kuromame, or black soybeans, were my favorite. It was the most balanced of salty and sweet, and really easy to pop in or eat with rice, since Filipinos usually have a ton of rice for all of their parties and occasions. Next time I need to make a bigger batch of everything. My family was open to trying new cuisine, so it was fun seeing their reactions, and it was fun to put these plates together, kind of like food art. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you a few Filipino New Year's traditions as I celebrated New Year with my family. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your New Year's is going splendidly, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!